Hi all, I'm going to teach you how to access your HTML public folder for your website to make quick edits through your computer. You do this by downloading the FileZilla FTP server. After downloading the FileZilla for your computer, you will then log into FileZilla. FileZilla will ask you for your host name, your username, and your password. Your host generally is your actual website. So for me, my host will be missindependent.com. My username, I will assume, is my actual username that I use to log in to WordPress. So I will put in the password that I used to log into WordPress. Is that everything passed? However, there's nothing here which actually shows you if you're connected or not. Then it tells you critical error. This is not the information. I'm a little dumbfounded at this point, so I'm going to the WordPress.com to make sure I'm actually entering the right information. My username and my password. At WordPress.com, it actually works. But then why aren't I able to log into FileZilla? This is a problem that is fixed by your host servers. I actually use QA host as my server. So what I do is I log in to see if I'm actually putting the right information. After logging into your host server, mine is QA host as you can see, I'm going to go to my product and services. Here it shows my hosting, which is missindependent.com, and I'm going to look at my details. In here, I'm going to actually find the right information in order to log in to my website server. However, I save this information in text edit so you don't actually see my actual password. But this is the same information we're seeing here. So when you scroll down, you see all this important information, how long I've been a member and so forth, how much it costs annually, and then my login details. My password is not what I thought it was, and my username is not missindependent.com. My actual username is missindependent, and my password is extra111. Now we're going to go back to FileZilla and actually do that. Again, your host is your website name, and I'm going to use my username, missindependent /, and my password. And ta-da! I actually logged in. I'm then going to my public HTML file, and here I can access all the subfolders to my actual site. So if I want to make edits in my IACM 505 files and my SIA files, I can just quickly make edits here, and then it would effectively show on my actual website, missindependent.com /SIA. So that's actually how you log into your FileZilla server. Again, if you can't find in your information and it's not your WordPress login, it must be all in your host. Find that information by going to your product services. Thank you for watching.